Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. Before talking about the market, I would like to show something about Fingrad. I'm sure you must have heard about Fingrad. In fact, I also have done many webinars for Fingrad. So why am I talking about Fingrad is you know that knowledge is power. We all have heard about that, right? And knowledge that one gets from expert is worth its weight in gold. And Fingrad is one such platform that aims at doing that. This is an educational initiative where we can learn various aspects of financial market, whether it is investing, fundamental or options trading or technical indicators whatsoever. You can learn about various aspects of financial market. You can learn about many things like trading, investing, personal finance, mutual fund, taxation and more. All the experts here have years of experience. You can see that the very popular courses is one of our courses also, right? So we have done many. We have been associated with Fingrad, and go and enroll for their 3-day free trial. They are giving 3-day free trials. If you want, you can enroll. No card information is required. So first try this platform and then subscribe to their paid perks if you wish to continue learning, right? The link for this Fingrad is mentioned in the description. So if you want, you can subscribe to Fingrad, right? So they have lots of content. More than 50 to 60 contents are available in Fingrad. Okay. Now coming back to the markets, markets are really fun, right? Why am I saying it is really fun is because markets, India VIX is very low, right? It is almost below 15, and as I told you, as an option seller, if you are into option selling, you know that India VIX, low India VIX is always best for option sellers. I'm sure it is boring, right? It will be very much boring. Today hardly, if you see Nifty and Bank Nifty chart, maybe Bank Nifty has moved maybe 400 or 500 points. By the way, this is divergence. This divergence is still active. Yesterday also I talked about divergence. Today also I am talking about divergence. So this divergence is still active. And for your information, all three institutions, whether it is DII, FIIs, proprietary desk, HNI, all are short in the market. That I believe you know that. We have a member in our Telegram group who updates this end of the EOD data, end of the day data daily in our Telegram group. If you want, you can join the Telegram group, for which the link is also on the description below. Now, we have reached all-time high, okay? And there is divergence also both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now, if you see the 5 minutes chart, this is the 1-day chart. And if you see the 5 minutes chart, from 18,000, this is Nifty, from 18,000, low was around 18,250, 18,350 to 18,250, 100 points. Then from there, it has gone to around 18,400 levels, merely 150 points movement in Nifty. And Bank Nifty also, you know, same thing. Open was around 42,250 levels, low was around 42,100, 150, then high was around 42,430. From 42,250 to 42,450 is just 200 points movement in Bank Nifty. Have you seen Bank Nifty and Nifty moving like this? We have been used to Nifty and Bank Nifty moving 400, even Nifty we have seen moving 400, 500 points, zigzag, making 2-way, 3-way moves in single trading session. And we have seen Bank Nifty moving 1,000, 1,200 points in Bank Nifty also in single trading session. Now, these are all the positive things about option selling. Now, you tell me which option seller would have made money, right? Already yesterday, if you go and see in yesterday's video, there are comments that there is an option seller or there are many option sellers, right? Even in our Telegram group, there are option buyers. Sorry, I'm not option sellers, option buyers who have already started panicking, because these kind of small movements, option sellers don't tend to make money. So that is what is happening here. Anyway, the good news is that India VIX is very low. No problem. All our strategies are in profit. Not only our strategies, even our members who follow us in mentorship program, their strategies are also profit. In fact, today itself, till today itself, they have made 3%. I am talking about this week. Another 2 more trading session to go for this week expiry. Then after that, we have 1 week. Already they have made 3%. We have made more than 3.5%. This week alone, I am talking about this week alone. So option seller, this is the best time for option sellers. You go and sell straddle, strangle, or whatsoever strategies you want to sell, non-directional strategies. I am talking about non-directional strategies. You will make money. And open interest, we'll talk about open interest later. What is happening in the US market is US markets are all in the green, whether it is Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq, everything, FTSE, CAC, DAX, everything is in the green. There is not a single thing which is in the red. Only thing which is in the red is S&P VIX, which is almost below 25. If it comes below 20, that is also a really good thing. US market will also not make any big movements. And as a mother market, we follow US market than local Q, so it is also going to benefit us. And open interest wise, if you see, there is aggressive put writing. This is Nifty from 18,400 all the way till 18,000. They are writing so much of puts, and 18,000 is having the highest open interest. So you can assume 18,000 is going to be a good support, and maybe you can go and write some credit spreads around 18,000. Maybe you can sell 18,000 put option, and maybe you can buy 17,500 put option. And when it comes to bank nifty, same scenario like Nifty. There is aggressive put writing, and if you can see here, call raters were smashed today, and they had to run for cover, and that could be one reason why bank nifty has shot up so much. So 42,000 can act as a support, because 42,000 strike is having the highest put option, open interest. 42,000 strike is having the highest put option in highest strike in put option, right? And in spite of all this happening, what is very interesting is that FIIs and DIIs are net sellers today. FIIs have sold for around 221 crores, and DIIs have sold for around 549 crores, right? So this is how the markets are reacting. This is really good time for option sellers. I can tell you, go and sell call option, go and sell straddles, strangles, ratio spread. All these days, last 6 or 7 months, you are suffering. You were trying to manage your position. You were trying to adjust your position. That is all learning phase. Now, whatever you have learned in the last 6 or 7 months, implement now. It will work in your favor. That is what I am trying to say, right? So I have summarized. I think I have summarized everything, whatever is available in the market. Soon we are going to change the setup. I don't want to keep on talking about the markets. You know what is happening in the market. We will try something different in the near future, for which we are preparing. So going forward, you will see this entire channel. We will change the entire setup of this channel. Rather than talking more about the markets, we will talk about strategies, how we will deploy strategies, what is going to be the counter trade, or what is going to be the trades which we are going to take, and we are going to talk elaborately and very enhancingly, right? So let us see how things pan out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Till then, take care. Goodbye.